I'm going to start my morning monologue today with a question. Is it possible to be loyal to a single brand of construction equipment? There are examples, of course. JC Balls, famously been a loyal JCB customer for decades and has built a very respectable company on the back of it. But in an age when innovation is perhaps more rapid than ever, can you genuinely pin your company colours to a single equipment mast? Well, let's discuss. Loyalty to a single equipment brand is driven by a complex mix of trust, convenience, and long term partnerships. However, such loyalty is not without its challenges. As construction projects become more demanding and technology evolves, businesses often find themselves weighing the advantages of staying with a familiar brand versus the potential benefits of exploring alternative options. So, first off, I'm going to look at the potential advantages of a single source of supply. And one of the most compelling reasons for sticking with a single brand is the relationship built up over time with local dealers and service technicians. Construction obviously is a tough, time sensitive business, and having a dependable, long term partner can be invaluable. A contractor's relationship with their local equipment dealer goes beyond simple transactions. It does genuinely become a partnership. The local dealer knows the company's needs, the specific equipment requirements, and how to offer tailored solutions. Consider the scenario when a piece of heavy equipment breaks down mid project. A dealer with whom the business has a strong relationship will likely prioritize them, ensuring quicker access to replacement parts, technicians, or possibly even a replacement machine. That quick turnaround reduces costly downtime and enhances operational efficiency. The service technician who has worked on your fleet for years knows your machines inside out. Familiarity with your equipment's quirks and history can result in faster, more efficient repairs and maintenance. Moreover, established dealers often offer financing, extended warranties, and flexible terms that help reduce the financial burden of equipment ownership. They can negotiate deals, offer fleet discounts, and perhaps even throw in service packages that new relationships may not yet offer. Another potential advantage of sticking to a single brand is the commonality of spare parts across different machines. Brands tend to maintain consistent component design across their equipment lines, which simplifies maintenance. For a construction business running a mixed fleet, dealing with multiple brands can result in a logistical nightmare. Parts for different machines from various manufacturers might not be interchangeable, resulting in a more complex and costly inventory of spare parts. Brand loyalty brings with it a level of familiarity that boosts operational efficiency. Using the same brand over years means operators know how the machines respond, their strengths, and their quirks. When operators become familiar with a specific brand's design, controls, and ergonomics, there is a natural boost in productivity. Loyalty to a single brand should also give companies leverage when negotiating new equipment purchases or leasing contracts. Dealers value long-term relationships, and manufacturers reward loyal customers with better deals, including discounts on equipment purchases or preferential leasing terms. So far, so good. But what about the potential disadvantages of brand loyalty and a single supplier strategy? One of the significant downsides of brand loyalty in the construction equipment industry is the potential to miss out on innovations offered by other manufacturers. The pace of innovation in construction machinery has accelerated, especially with the adoption of automation, electrification, connectivity. A contractor loyal to one brand may find that while their manufacturer offers dependable machines, other brands are pushing the envelope in terms of advanced technology, fuel efficiency, or other unique features. Brand loyalty can also lead to reduced flexibility. Construction companies, especially smaller firms, need to be agile and adaptable. If a project requires a particular type of machine or tool that your chosen brand doesn't offer, you might be left in a tough position. In such cases, a brand loyal company may need to either rent from a competitor or make do with less than optimal equipment. Despite all I said about fleet discounts previously, loyalty to one brand might actually mean paying premium prices for equipment simply because of the name. To remain loyal to a single brand probably requires you to work with a major manufacturer that has a truly comprehensive range. And those brands often command higher prices due to their reputation. If you're locked into a single brand, you might overlook more cost-effective solutions from lesser-known manufacturers that could offer similar performance and durability at a lower price. In addition, even for routine maintenance and service and repairs, branded parts, consumables, and dealership labor are generally more expensive than aftermarket alternatives or independent service providers. Loyalty can sometimes lead to complacency, both for the brand and for the customer. When a company is confident that its customers will remain loyal, there may be less incentive to innovate, improve service, or offer competitive pricing. For the construction company, loyalty might also breed a sense of stagnation in its own operations. By not exploring other brands, the company might not be aware of superior options that could optimize operations, improve safety, or reduce costs. Sticking to the status quo out of convenience or tradition could result in missed opportunities for growth and efficiency. Ultimately, brand loyalty comes with undeniable advantages: strong relationships with dealers, consistent service, commonality of parts, and operator familiarity. Those factors lead to operational efficiencies, reduced downtime, and cost savings. However, there are also significant downsides to consider, such as missed innovation, reduced flexibility, and potentially higher costs. Ultimately, the decision to remain loyal to a single brand or explore multiple options is one that requires careful consideration of the specific needs of the construction or demolition business. In an industry where margins are thin and the pace of technological advancement is fast, businesses must balance the comfort and security of loyalty with the potential opportunities that come with diversification.